This is the basic preset of the text. Put it into another scene. Let's start the tutorial. Name the new composition. Enter the text. Try to use thin stripes for the text. Open the text. Click on Animation. Select Blur. Then add scaling. Opacity. Blur setting 100. Scale setting 150. Make offset keyframes from -100 to +100. In Advanced Options, set the shape to Up Ramp. Set Ease Low to 50. Turn on Random Order. Reduce opacity to 0. Add character spacing in Animation. Keyframe the character spacing size from 0 to 8. The text spacing will gradually expand, making it look more premium.